And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
This is Sea Lion leader Trey Barr with this week's announcements. Way to go, Sea Lions, for raising over $60,000 towards the PTA's Jogathon fundraiser. Let's keep the momentum moving forward as we get closer to our goal of $75,000. Monday is the 100th day of school. Kindergarten is going into the future on Monday morning to celebrate their huge milestone of counting to 100. Have fun on your big day. Now that we've had the 100th day of school, you will receive your brag tags if you have 5 or less absences. DJ Larson is excited to spin some tunes on Tuesday. Follow the sound during lunch to join the Tie-Dye DJ dance party. Hey Sea Lions, we've partnered with Finbars on PCH for our latest Dining for McGaw fundraiser. Visit Finbars on Tuesday to help the school. Sea Lion chorus rehearsals on Wednesday at 1:20 p.m. Let's be on our best behavior when rehearsing our songs. Family Math Night is on Wednesday at 5:30 p.m. Bring the whole family and learn all about how math can bring us together. Pageant practice is back. Be sure to meet up at the gym on Thursday at 2:20 p.m. Attention 5th graders. The OSS Parent Information Night is on Thursday at 5 p.m. in the auditorium. Come learn all about your upcoming trip to the mountains. The Jogathon is on Friday. Be sure to dress for a fun day in the sun as we celebrate a healthy lifestyle and growth mindset. Keep those donations coming in as we seek to break our goal of raising $75,000. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
This is Anchored for Life leader Max McCarran with the quote of the week. This week's quote comes from a best-selling author named Wolfgang Riebe, who said, "No one is perfect, that's why pencils have erasers." This quote is important because it means to be okay with mistakes and to learn from them. I hope this quote inspires you to try as hard as you can and to admit to being wrong sometimes.
UTK.
Let's kick things off by celebrating UTK student Selah Kidigwa. Mrs. Donor said that in art, a friend was not keeping up with the quick instructions, so Selah was able to repeat and assist a friend in following those directions. Thanks so much, Selah.
Kindergarten.
Congratulations to kindergarten student from Mrs. Fox's class, Florence Symington. Flo waited for an adult to start riding the trikes, and by taking her time, she made sure everyone was safe. Thanks so much, Florence.
1st grade.
Mrs. Monteleone wants to celebrate 1st grader Max Kemp. She said that Max was fabulous during our earthquake drill. He was a great role model that did everything he was supposed to do.
2nd grade.
Mrs. LaBounty wants to celebrate 2nd grade student Jade Gianamore. She said that Jade had an incredible day. She worked hard, she stayed focused, and she was helpful to others. Way to go, Jade.
3rd grade.
Team Franderson wants to celebrate 3rd grader Sammy Villa. They said that Sammy has been an incredible teammate at his table. We love watching him step up and use those leadership skills. Way to go, Sammy.
4th grade.
Mrs. Polone wants to celebrate 4th grader from Miss Breedlove's class, Gia Kolahi. You see, Gia found a gold ring in the grass, so she did the right thing and returned it to the office. The owner of the ring was so excited and beyond thrilled to have their precious jewelry back. Thanks, Gia, for doing the right thing.
5th grade.
And finally, Mrs. Aniceto and Mrs. Obert want to celebrate 5th grader Ben Wilmot. They said that Ben volunteered to save the entire pageant production by joining a new dance. Thanks for being mindful of the whole production. We appreciate you.
Thank you so much, Sea Lions. Make it a great week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!